This is May, and here's my recording for my black belt exam. So I was supposed to do registration and login, a wall of comments, and then people who are logged in can like them, and it shows who likes which comments. So I did it in Rails. Let me show what I came up with. So here's my users index. I can go ahead and register. I'll register a new user. I'll say Cookie Monster. Cookie Monster. And we'll do a password. Confirm. Okay, so Cookie Monster's logged in. It says user was successfully created. He's on the list. I can show if I log out what happens. I can go and log back in here. Here's my login page. So we'll say Cookie Monster. Good. So Cookie is logged in. Okay, so that's login and registration. Now I'm going to go to the Bright Ideas page, which is the wall. So here's the list of ideas that other people already posted. And so I can go ahead and like different posts. So I'll say Coding Dojo is cool, like. And it says your like was successfully recorded, and it went up from 4 to 5. I'll like someone else's. This is a bright idea. Your like was successfully recorded. That one up to 2. It knows if I already liked something, and then it won't record a new like. So if I try to do Coding Dojo is cool again, it says you already liked this post, and that 5 didn't change. I can post something new here. Gets added to the list. At the bottom, you can see it's sorted by the number of likes. And then if I click on one of these, you can see 5 people like this. Okay, let me see who those 5 people are. There they are. Back to Bright Ideas, and there's the wall again. Okay, so let me show my code. So overall, I guess, let's see. We can go to the database structure. There's a users table, a post table, and a likes table. At first, I did something funny where I had likes directly in my users or my post table, but then I realized I needed to make likes be its own database, and so it's its own table, and so the likes column, is just I guess a join table showing the user ID and the post ID. And so I've got my models. There's not much to them, just the one-to-many relationship, and then the user has the validation for email and name length and things like that. My controllers, I've got my user controller for registration. I've got my sessions controller for dealing with the users logging in and out. Along with that, I should point out I've got my sessions helper to deal with the sessions for logging in and out. I've got my post controller, and so the posts, I guess in my index, this is how it's sorting by number of likes. I got some help from Google and Stack Overflow on that one. This was, I guess, one way to make that work. Here's the create for a new post. Here's the show to show a post and the likes that are associated with that post. And then here's my likes controller. So here's where it checks. So for when someone clicks the like button, if there's already a record in the likes table with that user ID and post ID, that means that count would be greater than 0, and it would go back and give you the message saying you already liked this post and nothing gets changed in the database. Otherwise, meaning the count would be 0, that there's not already a like for that user for that post, it would create a new like with that user ID and post ID. It would get saved and go back and say that your like was successfully recorded. So those are the controllers. I guess the views, the main views are, we've got that index for the users. The new was the user registration page. I didn't actually do anything there with the show. Then for sessions, we just have the new sessions view. That's the user login page. Under posts, We've got the post index. So yeah, here actually I didn't show this. We've got some if statements for if someone is logged in, it shows all of these things, including the ability to post and the ability to like something. But if I'm logged out, it'll ask me, let's see, so if I'm on Bright Ideas and logged out, it says, please register or log in to post a Bright Idea or to like a Bright Idea. You can see that the option to post a message is gone and the like buttons are also gone. But if I log back in, log in as me this time, and go to my Bright Ideas, now I have that. The form is back for posting something and the like button is back. So that's the posts index. Didn't do anything there. The post show, this is that where I show the one message, Coding Dojo is cool, and show the different people who have liked it. So that's pretty much it. Thanks so much.